Look at that sun. So Chad just tried to do this hill. He's doing really well. And then his chest hit the kill switch. That's this button. It's usually more up, but I tilted mine forward a little, so it's harder to hit your head. You good, Chad? I said, you good?
You betcha. Gotta move that kill switch.
Yeah, they always seem to throw it in the wrong way. Or the wrong place, I guess. Alright, yeah, so we're going to continue on here. Hopefully the sky clears up a bit over here. That's where we came through. And we're hoping the sun comes out for sunset. It's almost, I think it's around 2:30 right now, so let's go find some powder and keep ripping on and tearing. That turbo has no problem finding this stuff. So hard to justify. Oh, he's stuck. How steep that actually is. New bird. See if we can find some jumps or something. That's how you get sleds and stuff here. So cute.
Yeah, I think I need a turbo.
How you doing, big tuna? So cool. Mountain sledding, constantly upside down. Oh yeah, I think you can get past that first set. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What's your bet? Creek. Alright, here he goes. Think it through for half a second. Flip the coin.
I can't hold on.
I almost had her.
Keep flipping off.
Hands are too slippery.
The 174 turbo finally goes upside down after I stuck her more than once today.
work some mountain sledding. I was trying to get up there. This tree got in my way. So I ended up over here and dug a hole. And I forgot my shovel today, so of course. And I can't even roll it over, the track's so deep in there. So apparently they're buried about 300 feet over, so I'm just waiting for some help. Meanwhile, I'm just hand digging, hand bombing away. Clouds are moving in. It doesn't look like we're getting sunset today, but whatever. Still enjoying it.
Hey, story, what's going on here?
Seemed to be a bit of a tree magnet today.
Yeah.
Yeah, just ran out of talent.
It's deep, so yeah, I can see that.
And you brought you out.
Whoop.
Well, boys, what's the situation?
Chocolate bar time.
We're all a little beat up. You got stuck there. I got stuck over there.
A few days of sledding takes a toll on a guy, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Still having fun.
Yeah. I don't think that sun's coming back. Oh well. We got our sandwiches, that's all that matters. It took me a few tries, but I made it up here through those trees. It's pretty steep, eh?
Yeah, man, good job.
I only have the 154, not the 174, so. Yeah, snow's slowing down a little bit. We're just waiting for Chad here. He took a, whoop, fall down. He took a little break.
How you doing, Chad? I'm moving again. I'll be up in a sec, hopefully. Hello, boy. Let me know if you need a hand.
Let's see him grip it and rip it. So hard to see up here, eh?
Yeah, the visibility gets pretty poor in that light.
Yeah, everything kind of just looks flat. But, whew. Nope. I think he stopped.
You went a little quiet there. Yeah, sure did. Upside down.
That's my position. I'm always upside down. Hope the sun peeks through again.
Are you needing a hand, sir? Probably. Either way, I can do it. It might take me a while, but if there's two people, it'd be easier. It's up to you, though.
I'm gonna stay up here because that took me long enough to get up here. Good luck.
I am on my way.
The blue sky is trying to pop out. We got some sun on the mountains over there. A little blue over there. We're going over there though, so hopefully it clears up. Now here comes Chad. He's a little upside down there. Made her. He was showing off and jumped. Crazy character, eh? We need turbos.
I agree for sure.
So what'd you do? Put her upside down?
I didn't do nothing, I was just turning around.
Oh, you set them out? Nice.
Woo!
That was cool. Whew. So is this the top? Pretty much?
Yeah, this is the top. One of the tops.
How was the chute?
Okay.
How was it coming up the chute there?
It was a little sketchy there, top, but
Yeah.
try and keep the skis up away from the rocks.
Oh yeah, a lot of rock there, eh?
You betcha, yeah. No, that's fun stuff.
Pretty windy up here, but it's up. So close. Damn turbochargers. Oh, what do you think of this spot?
Interesting.
Yeah, kind of just stumbled upon this one. Hell of a hill coming down though.
You're doing bobsled, that's for sure.
Yeah, I was bobsledding, had it in reverse. Whew. I say we throw the drone up and burn the battery out of it. Is he expecting us to go up there now? How was it?
What's that?
How was it?
Fucking easy.
Hey, quit swearing, bud.
Hey, I'm a trucker.
Not back here. Yeah, the sun's not having it today.
No.
Yeah, not in my house. I just fell in a hole there, up to my waist. I think his helmet hits the radio a lot. A damn turbocharger, eh?
174.
Yeah.
75 actually.
I got the kitty toy over here. He's got the straight up mountain sled. Beautiful, yeah. Not many people come back here. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're going down. Whoop, 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 whoop. to the lake down here, and it's like perfectly fine. But when a storm comes in, you don't want to be on the top of a mountain or on the other side, because the hill we went up, if you can't see it, it's pretty near impossible. So we're just doing a little hill climbing here, and then I think we're gonna head out. Back up. Maybe just up top hitting jumps. Whoop, whoop. Not a bad way to end the evening. We didn't get attacked by a storm. No one died. No avalanches. Big rock.
Yeah, beautiful.
How you guys feeling?
Can't complain.
Top notch, hands hurt?
Pretty awesome day overall. I want to thank Potter Shots for getting me out here. Mark Freeman. Pleasure to have you. I got to go back to work for a few days. Do a shout out to LimeNine, VP Fuels, and Team Voodoo. Rock on, guys. Thanks a lot.
Crush it. They're the guys who make the sled so beautiful and so fast. So, anyways, as always, thank you guys for watching the videos. We got lots of filming left to do, so if you guys have any suggestions or anything, throw it in the comments. All the links below too, check those out, and yeah, have a fantastic day. See you guys. Bye.